Om Jagadatmane Namaha.
Jagadatmane Namaha. Jagat, the world. Atman, the self. He is the self of all. Jagat means all names and forms. He is the self of all. What's the Guru Stotram you remember? Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Yes, but before the other three lines. Mannatha Shri Jagannatha. Madguru Shri Jagadguruhu. Mad Atma Sarva Bhutatma. Myself. Because when we say myself, we think this. No, myself is the self of all. So Jagadatma. So Jagadatmane Namaha. He is the self of all. When you realize you are the self of all, how will that experience express? How will it express? You are seeing yourself. So you will not feel that you are serving others. You will feel that you are serving yourself. Like you walked about 14 kilometers. Parikrama. What, 14 kilometers? What parikrama is that? Huh? 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 Girivalam. Girivalam. Tiruvannamalai. 14 kilometers, isn't it? And first time you did, maximum you walked was to attached bathroom. That is your maximum walking. 14 kilometers, because of Ramana Maharishi's grace and blessings, you walked, you did not feel any pain. It happened to us first time when we went. Very amazing experience. 8 of us, including me, we were walking. Night 10 o'clock we started and walked around. And by the time we finished, and then we thought and as we were walking, 12 o'clock, fine. 1 o'clock, fine. 2 o'clock. Around 2 o'clock, everybody were nagging me. Swamiji, kal no. Swamiji, kal no. Swamiji, kal no. Kal no means? Kal means legs. Leg. No means pain. Swamiji, leg pain. Swamiji, leg pain. My leg also is paining. And they are reminding me constantly, Swamiji, kal no. Swamiji, kal. What can I do? So I said, do japa and walk. Nothing happening. Swamiji, kal romba no. Because they were doing japa on pain of the leg. More pains. Then suddenly we thought we lost the way, because when it is not coming, you feel we are lost. So we thought, how long more to walk? Maybe we are lost. So better we ask somebody how to go to Ramanashram. So we asked, Ramanashram enga? Where is Ramanashram? Some people were sitting around with a fire, near the fire. We asked, where is Ramanashram? One man got up, Nan Kamikiren. He said, I will show you. And he picked up a huge stone, this big stone, and kept on his shoulders. Nan Kamikiren. I will show you. And started walking next to me. Now everybody, Swamiji mela podpa. Swamiji mela podpa. He was going to throw the stone on Swamiji. He is going to throw the stone. Everybody are watching and walking. And then Swamiji, I told, just walk, silently walk. And walking. Up to Ramanashram, he was walking with it. And then we saw Ramanashram. The moment we saw Ramanashram again, we went in. We went and sat inside Ramanashram. Now I said, go and sleep. Swamiji, why he was doing that, carrying the stone? See, Ramana Maharshi himself gives the answer. He said, how all of you are telling kal no, kal no, kal no, kal no. And he took the kal. Kal means stone. From kal no, the attention went to kal. Kal means stone. Did you feel the pain of leg at that time? No, we forgot everything. We were only kallu. Luckily, they didn't ask, Swamiji, why didn't he put on you? They didn't ask that. See that? How shifted the attention. So 14 kilometers and we walked. And then when we sat down, I sat down and I couldn't keep my foot down. It was like putting on thorns, on fire. It was. Now what to do? What will you do? So I took my leg closer and started massaging. When you massage your own legs, what do you feel? You serve as though you are serving others. You feel you are serving yourself. If you are massaging somebody's feet, how do you feel? I used to do to my grandmother. My grandmother is a... So I used to massage. And ask, every minute I'll ask, Porma. Porma. Porma means Chala. Chala. Bas. Hindi bas nahi. Bas. Chala. Porma. Enough. With a question mark. Every minute you ask, what will grandmother will say? Okay. Porum po. Enough. Go. This is what. Because somebody else. But when you are massaging your own feet, will you say, Porma? Porma? Would you say that? Never. You yourself will, till you are satisfied, you start. You keep massaging. That is called feeling your own self. Unfortunately, we can feel only up to our body, only we can feel. And little extension to our children, only if they are nice to me. Isn't it? And of course, small, until they are 9, 10, okay, 9. They are so nice to us. We feel like serving them. We even massage their legs. Some parents do that every night. We extend to my child. But if I can, from the body, I can extend to my own self, then I will recognize the self in me is a self in all. Jagadatmane Namaha. And I feel good by serving any BMI because I feel I am the self in that BMI. That's what Gurudev did. He never felt that he is serving anybody else. So, Jagadatmane Namaha.
Om Jagadatmane Namaha.